All right, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we're going to be talking about Chainlink, all of the integrations that's on Chainlink. But before we get into this video, you guys, we have to do a quick government risk disclaimer. I am not a professional advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes only to teach you guys more about a crypto known as Chainlink, symbol LINK, you guys. So let's get into this video. We're going to be talking about Chainlink today, you guys. It's going to be a really good video, right? So first I want to take you guys to the website. I was on X looking at Chainlink as well. By the way, you guys, I follow them on X. I pretty much follow every crypto on X, you guys. That's where you can get some of the best updates from. So if you're not following all pretty much everything that's on your watch list on X, please go over there and do that right now so you guys can be better informed. We're currently on the Chainlink website, you guys. This is like literally one of the best websites I think I've ever seen a crypto has. They have so many integrations, right? That's what this video is going to be about, you guys. So first, let's talk about who's integrated on the Chainlink blockchain, you guys. So Chainlink has a very broad integration network across DeFi, NFTs, gaming, and even traditional finance. Some notable examples include major DeFi and blockchain projects such as Aave, Compound, Uniswap, and MakerDAO. Also, some major blockchain and layer 2 projects such as Ethereum, Binance Chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Solana, Arbitrum, etc. Right, and then they also have NFT, gaming, and metaverse projects such as Axis Infinity, the Sandbox, and the Decentraland, you guys. And they also have real-world traditional finance pilots such as Swift, AccuReather, Google Cloud, and the Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, you guys. So why is this important, right? Well, every integration add real usage to Chainlink's network. These projects pay for data and services in Link, right? They pay for all of this stuff using the Chainlink crypto, which drives demand for the token and strengthens Chainlink position as the default Oracle standard across multiple chains and industries, you guys. So that is very amazing. Just look at this website one more time. This is beautiful, right? Run in a variable. They're pretty much talking about everything on this website. They got developers, right? You can come in here and build. They come in here telling you all of the different use cases: tokenized assets, stable coins, payment and settlement, banking, and capital markets, DeFi. And then they also on this website they have an overview of the Chainlink stack. We could talk more about that in a different video. They have cross-chain communication. We could talk about that more in a different video. They have orchestrators in case you want to be an orchestrator. It's probably going to be super hard to do that at this moment because you have to more than likely have a lot of chain links to do that. But let's go back to integrations, you guys. I want to go back to talking about integration, right? So what is integration? What does it mean, right? And integration happens when another blockchain, DeFi protocol, or a traditional company connects its systems to Chainlink's decentralized Oracle network. This could be a DeFi lending app, a NFT platform, a layer 2 chain, or even a real world business that needs reliable data, right? So why Chainlink is different from a regular blockchain is because it can't directly pull in outside information like market prices, weather data, or sports scores on their own. They're closed systems for security. Chainlink provides the Oracle layer, a decentralized way to fetch and verify off-chain data and deliver it on-chain, right? So what's the value of this, right? What's the value of it having more integrations, right? Every new project that integrates Chainlink expands the number of data feeds, networks, and use cases. So that means more fees and uses, right? Each integration creates on-chain transaction that requires link tokens for payment, which drives up the link price, right? We all know that's going to be, super nice. Super. All of these integrations, Compound, Aave. The list is crazy, you guys. Some of these integrations even blew me away. But a lot of these projects, I'm not going to lie, I am invested into, and a lot of these projects, in my opinion, will stand the test of time in the crypto space, right? So, just think about how crazy right? How crazy Chainlink price can go up from all of this usage, right? I just want you guys to think about that for a little bit, right? We also got security and reliability. A broader and more active Oracle network makes the system more robust and trustworthy. Cross-chain expansion, integrations with multiple blockchains such as Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche means that Chainlink becomes a standard across the ecosystem, not tied to one chain, right? So real world examples are like DeFi, right? Lending platform like Aave needs accurate Ethereum / USD prices. It integrate Chainlink price feeds, right? Another real world example is insurance, right? A crop insurance D app can trigger payouts based on verified weather data delivered through Chainlink, right? Another real world example is TradeFi and tokenized assets. Banks or asset managers tokenizing real world assets can use Chainlink proof of reserve fees to show on chain that collateral exists, right? So here's the bottom line, right? And I know a lot of you, professionals, long-term crypto people already know the bottom line. Y'all already know where I'm going with this, right? Here's the bottom line. The integrations are proof that Chainlink is not just a concept, right? It's a crucial piece of infrastructure that more protocols and companies that depend on it, the stronger its network is going to become, right? The higher the potential demand for Chainlink, and the harder it is for competitors to catch up. And that is very important for me to throw that in there, right? Because we got to talk about the competition. And right now, it's not looking like they have really much competition at all, right? So let's get into this Chainlink price chart, right? Because this is where the fun comes in for me. Obviously, I love doing the research as well, but the chart has to look clean for me to even touch it, right? I don't care. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys see some of those crypto charts. It's been up, it's been straight down. They never had a pop, they never did anything, right? This is real life market structure. This is a really good looking chart, right? So let's go into this chart and let's dissect, right, what we've been seeing. So we had a fair value gap right here. I'm gonna mark that up. By the way, you guys, I do use ICT concepts to mark up my crypto charts as well. And then I need to label this really fast. Okay, make sure I label that so I don't get lost, even though it's like a million years away. It's probably never going to come back there, but you never know, right? So I just wanted to mark that up to show you guys, right? We came down here, we respected this fair value gap, had a nice pop up, created another monthly fair value gap right here. We respected this monthly fair value gap, had another pop up, created another monthly fair value gap, right? And then now we're currently facing just a little bit of resistance, in my opinion. I do believe we're going to break through this real soon, but this 1 month order block right here has caused a little bit of resistance for Chainlink, right? And I can zoom in a little bit so I can show you guys that, right? We have touched into this 1 month order block 5 times already. We haven't really got a body to close above this 1 month order block, but I do believe once we see a body close above this 1 month order block, we're going to be taking off to the moon, you guys. So let me drop down into the weekly chart so I can show you guys how I plan on getting in, because I currently own 0 Chainlinks, and it's horrible. I know it's horrible. I should have been buying Chainlink a million years ago, and I've been just waiting for the right price. But truthfully, when I was seeing it come up here, I should have just got in. I should have started accumulating right there. But guess what? It's never too late, right? That's why I'm making this video. So on the weekly chart, we have also a fair value gap right here. Then we have an order block right here as well. So as you guys can see, I have an alert right here for 21. Once it drops below $21, that's where I'm going to start looking to start accumulating as I wait and watch how it bounces around in here. But yeah, once you get below 21, that's where I'm going to start looking to accumulate myself. And then we're going to drop back into the weekly chart as well, because what I'm going to use is my Fibonacci tool, right? We're going to go from this swing low, and then we're going to go from this swing high. And the reason why I'm using this range is because this is the most recent range that was created, right? if none of this price action right here exists, I would have used this range, but we're using this range right now, right? So if we use this range on the Fibonacci, these are some of the price projections we can get right here. Obviously, we break above this long-term high right here, we can easily be seeing a $57 Chainlink, right? If we get super bullish, I think obviously if we go to 57, I think almost right off the rip we're going to be going at $83, right? Almost instantly, because you guys got to think this is about to be very bullish, right? So I think before Trump term is over, I think before the 3 years, right? And we could possibly even see this before the end of next year, maybe even before the end of this year, right? We could possibly be seeing a $160 chain link, if not better, you guys. I'm talking about that integration news is very, very, very bullish, you guys. So that's going to be the video, you guys. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video. Subscribe already. Subscribe if you haven't already. My goal for this video, you guys, is 10 likes. If we can get this video to 10 likes, I will, greatly appreciate that. You guys have been really amazing with supporting this channel, and I can't thank you guys enough. So that's the video, you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.